Welcome and karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar. Today I'm going to share with you on how I'm making my lentil soup. So for this recipe you can use the pink split lentils like this, or you could use the green lentils. They also come in brown. You could use the yellow. These are chana dals, but if you use the chana dal, please make sure that you soak it overnight and you pre-cook it before you make the soup. So I'm using the pink and the green, which I have soaked them in 30 minutes in warm water, and I've added a pinch of baking soda. So I'm also using some carrots and celery, and I'll be using some onions as well, and some diced tomatoes, red chili powder, coriander powder, and black pepper, some olive oil, black lime if you wish, coriander, and I also had fresh garlic. So I started with 3 tablespoons of oil. Just want to heat it up, and then I added my onions. I just want to saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then after that I added my vegetables. I'm using carrots and celery, but you can use whatever you prefer. All right. And then after that I add my spices, which is coriander powder, red chili powder, and black pepper. And then I added the garlic, fresh garlic. I used 5 cloves of fresh garlic, which I made them into a nice paste. And then after that, we add the tomatoes. I used about 3 medium-sized tomatoes. You can do more if you want. Saute for 2 minutes, and then I start with my green lentils. The green lentils take longer to cook, so I started with that. So I added about 4 cups of water. All right, so once it comes to a boil, cover it and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, before that I added my black lime, which I forgot. So after 25 minutes, my soup looks like this. So I add my red lentil, red or pink, whatever you call it. And then I add more water, about 1 cup. And then again you cover it and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes my soup looks like this, and I'm ready to squeeze in the lemon. I did 1 lemon, and I did not add salt because I was out of salt on this day this morning. So after you add the lemon, of course I add the cilantro, and then I let it cook for about 10 minutes, simmer rather. And then after 10 minutes my soup was ready. Okay, so I added the salt during the time of serving, and I also added more lemon. Okay, so you want to taste and see how you like it. So thank you so much. For more recipes, please visit me at Aroma of Zanzibar, and you'll find all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below.